A durable folding wagon is essential for hauling gear, whether for camping, beach trips, or yard work. Designed for convenience, these collapsible carts feature sturdy frames, all-terrain wheels, and ample storage capacity to handle heavy loads with ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding wagons you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Timber Ridge 400L Folding Double-Decker Wagon is built for heavy-duty hauling with an extended lower shelf spanning 54 inches, making it ideal for transporting large gear like chairs, tents, and canopies. Its dual-layer design maximizes space, supporting up to 225 pounds per layer, 450 pounds in total, on a rugged steel frame. Open dimensions measure 54 inches long, 18.5 inches wide, and 34.5 inches high, offering ample room for oversized loads. Designed for all-terrain performance, this wagon features 7.5-inch diameter wheels with durable rubber tread, providing a quiet, wear-resistant ride. The front wheels rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuverability, while built-in brakes ensure stability when parked. No assembly is required. Simply push the bottom to set it up. When folded, it compacts to just 15 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 35.5 inches high for effortless storage. An adjustable ABS handle extends up to 2 feet 8 inches, keeping control within reach and preventing it from falling to the ground. Whether navigating, campsites, parks, or sporting events, this collapsible wagon delivers strength, convenience, and efficiency in one streamlined design. The Navatiee 140L wagon cart redefines convenience with its effortless fold and ultra-compact design. Featuring an innovative sliding sleeve structure, it collapses instantly with a single pull of the middle strap. Weighing just 20 pounds, this lightweight powerhouse ensures easy one-handed carrying, while its removable wheels make storage a breeze. Its space-saving design doesn't compromise on capacity, offering a massive 140-liter volume while remaining one of the smallest folding wagons available. Customization is key with its removable wheels. Keep them attached for smooth dragging or store them separately in the inner bag, transforming your wagon into a briefcase-style carrier. The reinforced stainless steel frame supports up to 220 pounds, ensuring durability for heavy loads. The 600D Oxford fabric is tear-resistant, waterproof, and free from excessive lead or odors, making it reliable for transporting gear, groceries, or even a pet looking for a cozy ride. Glide effortlessly with a telescoping handle, 360-degree rotating front wheels, and PVC all-terrain tires equipped with brakes for stability on slopes. Unfolded, it measures 34.9 by 19.9 by 24.4 inches, yet folds down to an ultra-compact 18.5 by 6.1 by 16.7 inches. Upgrade your hauling experience with the Uyittour heavy-duty folding wagon cart, a space-saving powerhouse designed for convenience and durability. Its innovative portable design allows you to remove the wheels, fold it down to half the size of standard wagons, and store it like a briefcase. Perfect for those who need efficiency without bulk. Despite its compact storage, this wagon boasts a massive 140-liter capacity, 30% larger than typical models. Dual cup holders add even more storage, ensuring you have room for everything you need on your adventures. Whether for camping, beach trips, or hauling gear at events, this wagon is built to handle it all. Durability is key, and the high-strength steel tube frame supports up to 220 pounds while resisting rust and fading. The 600D Oxford fabric is thick, tear-resistant, and easy to clean, ensuring long-term use in any environment. Smooth handling is guaranteed with all-terrain wheels and 360-degree rotating front wheels designed with high-precision steel shafts for superior maneuverability on rough or crowded paths. The Overmont 200-liter foldable wagon cart redefines convenience with its massive 200-liter capacity, measuring 49.2 by 22 by 22 inches, offering more storage than standard collapsible wagons. Whether hauling gear, groceries, or taking pets for a stroll, this heavy-duty cart delivers. Despite its impressive size, it folds down compactly to just 28.8 by 23.6 by 8 inches and weighs only 19 pounds, making storage and transport effortless. A standout feature is the innovative tailgate design, expanding storage by 50% for oversized loads. Two built-in cup holders and magazine pockets keep essentials within reach, enhancing convenience during outdoor adventures. The robust steel frame ensures exceptional durability, supporting up to 300 pounds, while the 600D tear-resistant Oxford fabric is built to last and easy to clean. Designed for versatility, the Overmont wagon features 360-degree swivel all-terrain wheels for smooth maneuverability on various surfaces. Front wheels with dual brakes provide extra control, making navigation seamless. The Timber Ridge 47-inch L collapsible folding wagon redefines convenience with its extended, spacious design. Featuring a foldable tailgate, this utility cart is ideal for a 10 by 10 foot pop-up canopy, offering a massive 250-liter capacity, which is 50% more storage than standard wagons. Designed with pets in mind, the easy-access tailgate allows dogs to hop in and out effortlessly. Built for versatility, this all-terrain wagon boasts 7.5 by 3.4 inch wheels with 360-degree rotating front wheels, ensuring smooth maneuverability on sand, grass, or pavement. Whether for camping, shopping, or gardening, it glides with ease, reducing strain. Its heavy-duty alloy steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, while durable 500D Oxford fabric resists wear and tear. A mesh bottom simplifies cleaning with just water. For added convenience, oversized side pockets and dual cup holders provide ample storage, while the adjustable handle, 25.6 inches to 35.5 inches, ensures a comfortable grip for all users. Designed for effortless storage, this folding cart requires no assembly. Just lift from the bottom to collapse in seconds. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.